Hi, welcome to Once Upon a Word. I'm Mark. Today's lesson I'm going to talk about actual and actually and how to use them. So actual and actually refer to things which are real, true or surprising, and they don't refer to the present time. So here are some examples. It's not actually raining now, meaning in reality it is not raining. The book was never actually published, meaning the book never got to the stage of publication. People think she's over 30, but her actual age is 18. So this is surprising. She looks older than she is. So common mistakes people make with actual and actually are that in some languages, actual has got the meaning of current or at the present time, but this isn't the same in English. So sometimes people are using actually to mean current or at the present time. So if you want to talk about the present time, you should say the current population of the UK is 70 million, not the actual population of the UK is 70 million. Okay, so the actual population of the UK is 70 million means it is true that in reality the actual population is 70 million, not at the present time the population is 70 million. In spoken English, actual is often used as part of the expression in actual fact. So in actual fact has got a similar meaning to in fact. However, in actual fact gives a little bit more emphasis to what the speaker is saying. For example, in actual fact, her health a year ago was much worse than today. So in actual fact gives a little bit more emphasis. Actually is also a discourse marker in spoken English. So in spoken English, people sometimes say actually, and what that does is to introduce a new topic or to change what has been talked about or to contrast what's been talked about. It's also used to give a little bit more detail about topics. So here's two examples. So person A, I suppose you're going away for the weekend, right? Person B, actually I can't go away this weekend, I've got too much work to do. So giving a bit of contrast to what's been talked about, changing the topic a bit. Second example, so a customer in a bookshop is asking about books. Excuse me, have you got any books about Japan? Person B, the bookshop worker. What kind of books are you looking for? Person A again. Actually, I'm looking for books about Japanese food. Person B, oh sure, they're over there. So this actually I'm looking for books about Japanese food is giving more detail to what's going to come. So actually, then more detail. I'm looking for books about Japanese food. Okay, I hope that's useful and I'll see you next time. If you've liked this lesson, please subscribe for more English lessons from me, Mark, at Once Upon a Word. Okay, thanks a lot. See you later.